we are back, and today we are going to see what is the iPad is all about. And I'm going to show you the easy steps where you can see yourself using the iPad at max, and I'm going to enjoy each and every bit of it. So let's get started. Alright, so let's quickly wind up. First thing, you will require your iOS devices. I have my iPad with me. The second thing you will require is the Thunderbolt cord, and the third thing is your trusty machine, which is Windows right now. You can use also a Mac. Next, and the first and last thing you require is an iTunes software, which is a mandatory. Alright, we are going to the apple.com, downloading the official software, which is the latest one. Let's quickly install this. This is done. Open iTunes. Alright, we get it. We agree with all the terms and conditions. Now the software part has been taken care. Now we connect our iPad to the machine. The first thing, it will show you whether you trust the machine. This message will prompt you each and every time you connect to a new machine which has not been synced. Alright, this is done. A small icon will pop up immediately. Here you will see all your related folders. Right now everything is blank. To give you a small example, let me transfer some files on my iPad. So it will give you some brief idea how it is done. The first thing you require is to locate your file which you need to be transferred on your iPad. Just drag and drop over there. Automatically it will appear in your movie folder. Similarly for the MP3, just go and search for your music file. Alright, done, and boom, drag and drop. So here we have it. This is simple and easy step which is required to transfer your music file or movie file. So it's time to share some hidden secrets. Yes, I have a secret app which can make this process very easy, very fast, wirelessly. Yes, you heard it right. I can do wireless transfer as well. For that you require an iPhone box application, which is a little secret of mine. I've been using this for quite a while. Now let's start downloading this file to my PC. You can use it for your Mac. I'm going to show you on my Mac because I have already installed that there. Okay, let's go over there. Let me find my application file. Okay, here we have it. Okay. So immediately you can see that little hefty iPhone box icon. Once you click it, quickly it opens up, and the front page itself, it will show you what it can be useful for. I'm using it for various purposes. I'll be explaining this on my next upcoming videos, how you can utilize this for various other things. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how this is very fast and easy to transfer your files, even take backups of your photos from your iPad to make more space. Vice versa, you can do transfer files from your PC. Not only you can transfer your files, but you can navigate to your applications. Yes, you can directly transfer your files to your app. I'm going to show you in the further videos, upcoming videos about the audio video players. Make sure you watch that as well. So here you can see I'm navigating my camera folder. Immediately I can view my photos, a very scary one. I can download that to my PC, and vice versa, I can upload from my PC to my iPad. So this was a small session about how to transfer your files. So this is a basic guide, and we are going to go on an advanced level. In the next video, we are going to see how to transfer your favorite anime, your movies, your favorite lossless ACC files on your iPad. So make sure you see my all the series over here if you're using an iPad, an iOS device. And if you're a techie or you like what I do, go and watch my other stuff as well. So let's wind it up right now. Till next time, adios amigos. See you later, guys.